The 13th edition of India's Stone Mart 2026, one of Asia's premier international exhibitions dedicated to the natural stone industry, was successfully held from 5th to the 8th of February 2026 at the Jaipur Exhibition and Convention Centre, Jaipur. Organized by the Centre for Development of Stones in association with Laghu Udyog Bharati and supported by RICO, the exhibition brought together the global stone industry on one dynamic platform. The exhibition was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Shri Bhajan Lal Sharma, at the Mugdha Convention Hall, JECC. The inaugural ceremony was attended by several distinguished dignitaries, including Industry Minister Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Education Minister Madan Dilawar, Chief Secretary V. Srinivas, Additional Chief Secretary Industries Shikhar Agarwal, Principal Secretary Mines T. Ravikant, along with industry leaders and international delegates.
ये मात्र एग्जीबिशन नहीं है, ये सरकार की इंटेंशन भी दिखाता है कि हम किस तरह से हमारे पत्थरों से जुड़े हुए जो उद्योगपति हैं और हमारा जो इस तरह से असेट है, ये पत्थर, इसको विश्व मार्केट तक हम लेकर जाएं।
साथियों, इंडिया स्टोन मार्ट केवल व्यापार मंच नहीं, ये विचारों का आदान प्रदान, नए संबंध बनाने का, वैश्विक प्रथाओं को सीखने का और अपनाने का अवसर है।
Spread across more than 22,000 square meters of exhibition space, India's Stone Mart 2026 featured 450 exhibitors, including 391 Indian companies and 59 international exhibitors from 8 countries.
This fair is very important for us, and also the market of India is very important for us because we have a great advantage for exporting blocks from Iran to India.
The exhibition showcased a diverse range of natural stones, including marble and granite, advanced processing machinery, tools, and innovative stone technologies, highlighting the strength and capabilities of India's stone industry. Over 27,000 visitors, including architects, builders, developers, exporters, importers, and institutional buyers, attended the 4-day event, creating a vibrant environment for networking, knowledge exchange, and business opportunities. International participation from countries such as Turkey, Iran, China, Italy, UK, USA, Thailand, and Spain further strengthened global collaboration within the stone sector. A major highlight of the exhibition was the Jaipur Architecture Festival, which brought together renowned architects and design professionals to explore innovative applications of natural stone in modern architecture.
इतना सुंदर आयोजन आपने किया। निश्चित रूप से इस आयोजन से हमारे जितने भी स्टोन इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हुए लोग हैं, लघु उद्योग से जितने भी हमारे जुड़े हुए सभी उद्यमी हैं और जितने भी हमारे आर्किटेक्ट्स हैं, आर्किटेक्चरल वर्ल्ड से जो लोग जुड़े हैं, उनको बहुत लाभ मिलेगा।
It was a really mind-blowing experience for us.
So that means the architectural development here in Jaipur as well as the whole India will be very, very dynamic.
The ODOP Rajasthan Pavilion, presented by Rajasthali, showcased the rich stone heritage of various districts across the state, offering a glimpse into their unique craftsmanship traditions. The Shilpagram Pavilion celebrated India's rich craftsmanship.
राजस्थान सरकार को धन्यवाद देते हैं। शिल्पग्राम की वजह से मेरे जैसे सभी मूर्तिकारों को या और आर्टिजन्स को काम करने का मौका मिलता है।
while the Akshardham Pavilion featured live stone carving demonstrations by skilled artisans, reflecting the timeless heritage of Indian stone artistry. The Stone Gallery further highlighted the beauty, versatility and cultural significance of natural stone.
स्टोन मार्ट एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे एक ही जगह पर बायर और सेलर दोनों आते हैं.
India Stone March 2026 also facilitated extensive B2B meetings, international sourcing inquiries, and technology exchanges, creating valuable opportunities for business partnerships and market expansion. The event significantly strengthened Rajasthan's position as a global hub for the natural stone industry and promoted exports, investments, and innovation in the sector.
On a very big platform, and we are getting much more benefit on this platform. And Laghu Bharti had taken a very great initiative.
Indian Stone Mart is giving us a very great platform where we are able to bring our collections, and it's a great meeting point as well.
With a multilingual website in 26 languages and a digital app offering exhibitors extended visibility for 2 years, India Stone Mart embraced the future of digital engagement.
We are very happy with the bookings and the customer turnout this year, what we have seen here.
India Stone Mart continues to serve as a powerful platform connecting industry, innovation and international trade. India Stone Mart 2026, where stone meets opportunity. India Stone Mart, where stone shapes the future.